Jade?
What you did for Alia today was very cool, Marinette.
You think? I would have liked to
Due to the negligence and selflessness to our viewers, PopMax has ceased broadcasting your favorite programming as of April 22nd, 2025 at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have brought you quality programming for families and children alike since 2008 and plan to expand our network in the coming decade. Because of this closure, it will not be happening. We at PopMax and Narrative Entertainment, Sony Pictures and CSC Media Group has expected better from our viewers, and they have failed us. This is your fault. Thanks for nothing.
This emergency message from the Emergency Alert Channel. Please stay tuned for the following.
Civil authorities in your area has issued a emergency action notification for all of the United States. Please turn off your TV right now. Pop Max has ceased broadcasting as of April 22nd, 2025 at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is not a drill, this is an actual emergency. Please stay tuned for the following as more information becomes available.
This is the 18th Wing Command Post. As of 1500 local, the 18th Wing Commander has declared an emergency message. Turn off your TV right now. Pop Max has ceased broadcasting as of April 22, 2025 at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I repeat, this is the 18th Wing Command Post. As of 1500 local, the 18th Wing Commander has declared an emergency message. Turn off your TV right now. Pop Max has ceased broadcasting as of April 22, 2025 at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Command Post out.
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator. If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator.
This is an emergency alert message. Follow the messages on screen as more will be updated as soon as possible for more information.
Turn off your TV right now. Pop Max has ceased broadcasting as of April 22nd, 2025 at 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I repeat, turn off your TV right now. Pop Max has ceased broadcasting as of April 22nd, 2025 at 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
This is not a test. This is not a test. This is not a test. The following is a statewide emergency. Turn off your TV right now. Pop Max has ceased broadcasting as of April 22, 2025 at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Goodbye forever.
This emergency message from the Emergency Alert channel. Please stay tuned for the following.
Civil authorities in your area has issued a civil danger alert for all of the United States. The TV show characters from the Pop Max TV channel that just ceased broadcasting are rising from the graves and attacking the living. These characters are identified as Alvin from Alvin and the Chipmunks, the Babaloos, Barbie, Boxy, Funshine Bear, Cheer Bear, and Grumpy Bear, Corduroy, Felicity, Glitter Diva, Grizzy, Kipo, Ladybug, Madison, Max, Nate, Oggy, Pikachu, Pilu, Polly, Pocket, Ricochet, Sadie Sparks, Shasha, and Mellow, She-Ra, Squish Pod, and Peggy, Squishella, Talking Tom, T, and Twispy. Carry a weapon such as a firearm if the characters attack.
Hello, and welcome to GoAnimate.com, where everyone, even you, can bring their stories to life in animation. GoAnimate makes it possible to animate your inspiration in countless ways, instantly. Historically, animation was only achievable by the highly skilled animator. But with GoAnimate, animating is possible for everyone to do. So let's get animated! GoAnimate is organized around themes, and each theme includes characters, speech bubbles, backgrounds, props, sounds, and special effects. New themes and stuff are constantly being added. Choose your background. Move furniture around. Set the scene for your animation to take place. Prepare your set and get ready to create. Choose from lots of characters. More characters will constantly be added to GoAnimate's library of known and unknown personalities. Pick your cast with a simple click, then drag them, resize them, squeeze them, flip them, rotate them, and even hide them behind the furniture. It's all in your control. You can make characters walk, fly, dance, fall, and more. Some can sleep, high five, drink, and even fall in love. Add speech with a click. Choose from a range of speech bubbles and size them. Move them, shape them, and fill them with your own words. From soda cans to basketballs, flowers to guitars, furniture to awesome hairstyles. The GoAnimate library of stuff is loaded with objects to help you make your animation interesting and oftentimes full of surprises. Whoa! Yes, you can use special effects like earthquakes, flashing lights, and zooming. Set your scenes to a range of music, from romantic to scary, from rock and roll to militant. The GoAnimate music library holds many options that will constantly be updated. For more complex stories, Just add more scenes and continue the action. The more scenes, the longer and more interesting the story. Want to use your own stuff? No problem. With Go Animate, you can import your own stuff or browse what other users have been importing. Upload pictures from your computer. Import backgrounds or props from Facebook or Flickr. Import sound effects, music, or even voices. Record yourself and make your characters speak your mind and your voice. When you're done, preview your animation. If you're happy with it, share it with the world on GoAnimate.com and all major social networks. Email the URL to your friends and embed it into your personal website or blog. So go for it! From inspiration to animation, create and send e-cards, funny stories, serious sentiments, or even your political views. Laugh, cry, fall in love, or hit your boss over the head with a guitar. The sky's the limit. So what are you waiting for? Go Animate!
Go Animate! Make your free animations. Go Animate! Make your free animations. Yeah!
Hey, why is your TV still on? Didn't we tell you to turn it off? You know what, I'll give you a show to free your boredom until the next emergency alert. Well, I hope you enjoyed the show. Goodbye.
Street Fighter, Underdog, different cartoons like politics or the monsters or Star Trek, Willie Nelson or Akon. Go Animate, go Animate, go Animate cartoons. Go Animate, go Animate, go Animate cartoons. At GoAnimate.com.
Hey. Just what do you think you're doing with this TV still on? I demand you to turn this TV off before I turn it off for you. So you're not gonna listen to me, huh? Fine, I'll turn it off for you.
This is the Local Access Alert Emergency Override System with the emergency message. The characters from the Pop Max TV channel are rising from the graves and attacking the living. This is an emergency situation.
This emergency message from the Emergency Alert channel. Please stay tuned for the following.
This has now been upgraded to a shelter-in-place warning. The characters are rising from the graves and attacking the living. These characters are identified as Alvin from Alvin and the Chipmunks, Battaloos, Barbie, Foxy, Function Bear, Cheer Bear and Grumpy Bear from the Care Bears, Corduroy, Felicity, Glitter Diva, Grizzy and the Lemmings, Kiko, Ladybug, Madison, Max, Snake, Augie, Pikachu, Pilou, Polly Pocket, Ricochet from Mucha Lucha, Sadie Sparks, Shasha and Milo, Shira, Squishpot and Peggy, Squishella, Talking Tom, T and Twisty. Do not approach or apprehend these bodies as they are considered extremely dangerous. Be aware the zombified bodies have maggots writhing on the intestines, eyes, nose and mouth. The bodies smell really pungent. Lock all windows and doors and please keep pets and children inside and carry a weapon like a firearm or a knife.
This emergency message from the Emergency Alert channel. Please stay tuned for the following.
Go to bed now. Turn off all the lights and lock all windows and doors.